Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something that's revolutionizing the way beginners make money online. Imagine a system that's not only budget-friendly, but also incredibly effective for those just starting out. Easy Buyers is a groundbreaking system that hands you everything on a silver platter. Done-for-you profit pages that not only build your list, but also rake in commissions simultaneously. What's amazing is that it achieves this using completely free tools and cutting-edge technology to ensure your conversions and profits soar with minimal effort on your part. This system is a game changer because it eliminates the costly barriers typically associated with online marketing. Instead, it offers a pathway to build your buyers list and secure consistent commissions, even if you're a newbie. With multiple income streams from free and cheap traffic sources and zero overhead costs, yes, hosting is included. Easy Buyers makes monetization a breeze with pre-approved offers. But what truly sets Easy Buyers apart? It's designed from the ground up with beginners in mind. There's no need for website building, product creation, or navigating complicated traffic strategies. It's as plug-and-play as it gets, automating affiliate commissions and building a profitable buyer-subscriber list, the golden ticket in digital marketing. And if you think that's impressive, Easy Buyers also provides DIY funnels, ads, and first-class training, equipping you with all you need to pull in significant daily profits while automating your list building. It's a system so powerful and easy to use that it makes traditional funnel builders and complicated marketing tactics obsolete. But hurry, the launch exclusive discount for Easy Buyers won't last forever. This unique, zero-budget method for earning commissions is something the market hasn't seen before, offering an all-in-one income platform that's beginner-friendly and insanely profitable. So, if you're looking to make a splash in the online world without the headache of high costs and complicated setups, Easy Buyers is your ticket to success. Don't miss your chance to secure this revolutionary system at a low one-time cost before it shifts to a monthly subscription. And there you have it, folks. Easy Buyers is changing the game for online income, and it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. If you're ready to dive in and start making those 2-plus-figure daily profits while building your list effortlessly, now's the time to act. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Let's unlock the door to easy online profits together with Easy Buyers.
Hi guys, this is a quick demo of Easy Buyers. Now, after people purchase Easy Buyers, they'll end up on this thank you page here. And in step 4, they can click to directly access Easy Buyers, which will be through this page here. You'll receive your login details via email. So I'm just going to log in. This is the Easy Buyers members area. Okay, and these are the various upsells that are available. As you can see here, this is the Easy Buyers training. So we'll click Start. This is the main training area for Easy Buyers. This is the introduction video where I briefly outline how the system works and explain how to use everything inside this members area. Of course, we have a free live training, and of course, we have a Facebook group which you can join to ask questions from other affiliate tools for you members. Also from myself directly, I regularly post tips in there. You can contact support if you have any issues with the site itself or with logging in. And here we have the method overview. This goes over everything. And here we have the core method itself, which I'm not going to open up, but it's a whole section of videos. This is the core method. Now, it's worth noting on my sales page, I told you guys that you don't need to make review videos And you don't need to be making special bonuses for affiliate offers to make this work. Core method allows you to continuously get buyer subscribers into your autoresponder from various launches without having to launch your own products. And even if you only get one sale or even sometimes no sales, you'll still keep getting buyer subscribers using this method. But as a bonus, I show you how to get even more buyers using more traditional methods. But this is a bonus. The core method is everything described on the sales page, but I like to over-deliver. So I've gone over some of the more classic methods as well, as they do work pretty good. But of course, the best method is the easy buyers method here, the core method. Of course, we have bonus free training on affiliate marketing and email marketing. So if there's anybody that's not completely sure how to make the most money from these buyer subscribers, I have a complete training on how to do that. And there will be free bonus traffic. It's not listed here, but it will be listed here by the launch date, where you just click sign up and you will get a free mini solo ad, and you can place banner ads in one of my membership sites. So guys, that's easy buyers in a nutshell. Like I said, this core training is worth way more than the price of this course. I've been using this. It's a great little method. So I look forward to seeing you guys in here, and I look forward to seeing you guys crush it with getting commissions online.